Well, we manufacture wood baseball bats, and we do it better than anybody else out there. We pride ourselves on quality, customer service, and turnaround time. Most people think a wood bat comes from a sporting goods store. That's their belief, it just kind of popped up there. When they go through and see all the steps and we talk about the machines and the different wood densities and the different models and everything that makes up that bat, they're usually pretty blown away. They're pretty excited about it and really leave with a whole new understanding of what we do here and just the industry in general,
We make bats all the way from the 7-year-old kid that's just learning to hit up to major league level, and we do that worldwide.
There's a lot of science to wood, and that's come into play with making good bats.
It's cool. It makes you feel really good. I mean, you've done something, you've accomplished something, and you've put out a good product that they're using all the way up into the major leagues.
Combination, again, of the highest end technology that the world offers today, so a combination of great people and the best machines out there allow us to be extremely quick, extremely flexible. Some of our setups are much more advanced than our competitors. Our competitors will wait 3 days for bats to dry. We'll run them through an infrared oven and have them dried in 10 minutes. Just a big difference in our whole process.
During the last 20 years, technology has changed a lot. Equipment has gotten computer CNC operated stuff. There's less hand work in creating the same good hand quality products.
It's definitely become a lot cleaner with and not just in the wood industry, metal and everything. You don't have to get full of grease anymore to make stuff.
There's so many, stereotypes. People think of manufacturing and they think you're standing in the corner of a dark building pushing the same button every day, all day. It's just not like that. What we do here is exciting. It's different every day. Everything, to some extent, in this country, in this world, is manufactured. Manufacturing is not a low-paying job. Everybody that works here is taken very well care of. Financially, we all get paid better than the average job in central Minnesota. I've worked here for over 5 years. I've excelled. I've performed very well. If you're that kind of person, if you want to get it done, you go after it, you're going to get paid very well. There's no question. There is money in manufacturing. Everything we do is cutting edge, and that's, again, a big part of what we do. We work with a small group of people and the highest end technology that you can find. All the CNC is the top of the line. You can't get any better, custom built for what we do. The finishing system, again, completely custom designed. We're the only people in professional baseball worldwide that finish bats this way. Completely unique, super cool.
I think we create an excellent product that is enjoyed from all stages of life. I mean, everybody loves baseball, and to be part of that is fun and exciting.
Everybody, I think, is working towards the goal of the company. We don't have any slackers. I'm certainly proud of our employees and what they've accomplished and what they achieve every day coming to work.